just doing a quick short video. The truck I just got, it's a preview coming soon, shortly. We're dropping off at the local Dodge dealership here for inspection, check over, make sure everything's up tight and good to go mechanically and for safety. This is a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 6.7 liter Cummins diesel with a built 68 RFE transmission, performance transmission in it. 24x16 American Force wheels, stretched around a 1350 24 Radar Renegade RT rugged terrain tire. Let's check it out. It's got an 8-inch BDS long arm suspension lift kit, amp research step rails, badass light bar. Let's walk around the other side. It's 74,000 miles. It's a BDS kit, but it's got rough country steering stabilizer shocks, dual steering stabilizer shocks, huge bumper mounted front light bar, tow mirrors to painted to match, front bumpers painted to match, rear bumpers painted to match. Walk around the back side. That's pretty much about it. So I'm gonna start it up. Hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe. Hope you like the video. Listen to it take off, and let's see the sucker roll. And it's tuned also too. Tuned, deleted, all that good jazz, and yeah. EFI Live 4-position switch. 4-position switch. Ready? 5 position. Here we go.